Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to my most requested video of this year. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is a what I got for Christmas video. So I will share the most exciting gifts that I got. We also got some money and stuff, so I will not share that. But as always, I will share pretty much the majority of what I got for Christmas. These are my favorite videos to watch, so I really hope you are excited as well. If you are, give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what you got for Christmas, what was your favorite item. So I'm so excited to finally sit down and film. I have been sick and there have been so much going on, so therefore it is a little bit later up than usual. And I'm also so sad that the holidays are over, but let's start with pretty much the most exciting gifts what I got from my boyfriend. So the first item that I got is this Ralph Lauren hoodie right here in white. I absolutely love this. I also love that it has a zipper, so I can easily take it off if I get too hot. And this is so cute and the fabric is so soft, and I just really love this one. So he got me this one and I am just so grateful because the other gifts that he got me is totally crazy. So next bag that I have right here is Gucci. Once I received the sweater, I was like satisfied and happy, but he also gave me two items from Gucci, you guys, and I didn't expect this at all. So I thought I would only get one thing, but once I opened the other thing, I was shocked because these are items that I've really wanted for a very long time. He's just the best. So let's open the biggest box right here, and inside here we actually have a purse. So here are the first Gucci item that I got from my boyfriend. This is a Marmont handbag in the white cream leather, and I was so incredible excited because I have been wanting to get my hands on this bag for so long. If you have followed me for a while, you know that I have the black velvet version of this one. So I was excited when I got this one because this is leather. I can use it to black and to every single color. And if you haven't seen this bag before, it has a big compartment right here. You can wear this over your shoulder, but you can also wear this double strap. So I'm so happy and I can't wait to redesign my closet and display all the new items that I got. And then when I thought everything was over, I opened another box. And these are the shoes that I have been wanting to get my hands on for so long. In my opinion, these are probably one of the most iconic sneakers that Gucci has, and I am so over the moon excited and happy, and I couldn't be more grateful. And these are so comfortable on and they fit like a glove, and I just love these. So I can't wait to wear these, rock them, and style them up with a cute outfit. So I will have to wait until spring to rock these, but I'm so forever grateful, and I just can't believe he got them. So if you have been following me for a while, you probably know that I love the Grinch. So my brother's girlfriend actually got me this sweater which says Grinch on, and I just think this is so incredible cute. So I was ecstatic once I opened this up because this is like the cutest Christmas sweater ever, and I can't wait to rock this next year. And of course I will wear it like on an everyday basis as well because I'm just obsessed with this. I think it is so cute, it is so comfy as well, and I just love my sweats. And next we also got a bunch of the hotel towels from Lexington. So if you saw my Vlogmas, you know that I received some of these towels in my calendar this year, and I am beyond excited that we got more because I'm just obsessed with these towels. They are so comfy. So we got two of the medium-sized towels for your hair, and then we also got a blue one right here. And then my brother picked up this huge towel. Like, this is pretty much the biggest towel I've ever seen, and you can actually wrap in your whole body in this one. So I am forever grateful, and I just can't wait to wash these and actually try them out because they are so soft and so comfy. I just washed the ones that I got in the calendar, and I have already gotten them up in my bathroom, so I'm so excited. So next from my parents, I received this Le Creuset tea kettle, and I have been wanting to get my hands on this for so long. So I got the black version of this one, and let me tell you, this is great for when you want to make some tea or anything. It's pretty much like a water boiler, but it is on the old school kettle instead, and I just love that. And I think these are so handy because it's so quick to heat up some water. And my mom has this one in red, and I always use that when we are over at my parents', so I'm so excited to have my own finally. So next from my parents, we also received this Le Creuset frying pan in black as well. This is the same black as I have on all the other pans that I have downstairs. I absolutely love this because it's not aluminium, so we don't get any aluminium in our food. I'm very conscious when it comes to my pans and my kitchenware that we don't have a lot of like cheap aluminium in our kitchens. Therefore, I really wanted to have something that has great quality, and this is so heavy, you guys. And this brand is a French brand as well. You will have this for life. I feel like all the other pans that I have, I really enjoy. I really love them. So next, when we are talking about the Le Creuset things that I received for Christmas, I also got this wok pan right here with a glass lid, and I am making so much tofu now that I am a vegan, and I'm always like making vegetables and stuff, so I really wanted to get my hands on a wok pan. So my sister got me this one, and I'm so excited to try it out. And what I really love about these are also that it are made from iron. So if you are a vegan or vegetarian and you don't eat a lot of meat, it is great to make your food in iron pans because the pan will also add a little bit of iron to your food. So therefore, I really enjoy these, even if they're so heavy and they are a little bit more on the expensive side. I feel like this is a great investment, so therefore I wanted to get this as well. So next, I got these shorts right here, and if you haven't been following me, you know that I love my PJs. I love my shorts, especially for walking around doing housework or anything, and these are so comfy as well, so I'm glad that I got a new pair to add to my collection. And then I also got these two pair of snowboard socks. I am a hoarder when it comes to these ones, and I feel like Burton has the best socks. So if you're into snowboarding, I would really recommend you to check these out. So I got one pair from my brother and then also one pair from my sister. And since we are traveling to the Alps next month, I have myself some new socks to wear, which is great. I also got this Vela Professional Vela Plex number 3 hair stabilizer. So this is supposed to work like a treatment from your hair, which will make it thicker and better quality, especially if you are blonde like me. You know that your hair can be very frizzy and very thin. So this is like a home treatment that you can use to up your game and make your hair stronger. So happy that I received that. Then I also got this Kevin Murphy Blonde Angel Wash gift set. So in this set, it has the Shimmer Me Blonde Repairing Shine Treatment for blondes. We also have an Illuminating Gloss Color Shine Treatment. And last but not least, a color shampoo for blonde hair. So I love that I got myself some Kevin Murphy products. I've used this brand for pretty much like 2 years now, and I absolutely love this. So I switched between the Redken and the Kevin Murphy series. So my sister also got me this Redken Extreme Strength Builder Plus hair treatment mask, which I love, and I feel like this has helped so much on my hair, especially compared to how it used to look. So next, I also received this Professional Sebastian Halo Mist, and this is supposed to give your hair an UV filter weightless shine. So excited to try that out. I've actually never tested it out before. Then I also got a deodorant, and this is from Biotherm. So this is the roll-on anti-transparent without alcohol, which is always great. So then I also got another Kevin Murphy product, which I am so excited about because I love this, and this is supposed to make your hair a little bit cooler. And then I also got another Biotherm product. So this is the Oil Therapy Body Lotion, and I am loving this. I've used this for pretty much 2 years straight, except for when I was pregnant. I used a more organic and natural body lotion because I got a rash on my upper body. I'm not sure if it's this one, but I stayed away from everything that was not totally natural. So I really recommend this if you have very dry skin. So if you feel like the white one, the Apparel, the natural one, don't give you as much moisture as you would like to, I would really recommend you to check this out because this has apricot oil in it, which will moisturize a little bit more. So therefore I love this, really recommend it. So it was a great gift. So next I also received this neck cushion from a friend, and I am traveling so much. As you know, I love to travel. So this is great to have when you are on a plane or anything. This is always handy, and this is actually so cute, and I just love to squeeze these for some reason. And since we are leaving for the Alps in about 1 month, I will bring this one, so a great gift. So next I also received this right here, which is a necklace and 2 earrings, and I've always worn pearls, as you can see, for so many years now, so I'm excited that I got some stones instead, so I can try these out as well. And the necklace is so cute. And then I also got this set right here, which is the Love to Stay Hot super soft all-weather base layer, and this is from the brand Carrie Troll, which is a Norwegian skier, and she has her own brand when it comes to a lot of clothing that fits for colder weather once you are outside or you're skiing or whatever. And as you can see, this has a very cute pattern, like the flowers and the color. I just love that. And this set also comes with matching pants, and I just love to have these on when I'm at the mountain or if I'm working out or anything like that. So I'm very excited that I received a new pair because I really love all the clothes from this brand because it is so warm and it always comes in handy when you live in Norway. And then I also got another set of the Love to Stay Hot super soft all-weather base layer, but this is 100% merino wool, so this is a lot warmer, and this is something I use when I'm at the mountain and when I'm snowboarding. I always have this base layer underneath to keep me warm all day. So I'm not cold at all because this really is very warm, and this is also so soft and it doesn't make me itch, which pretty much a lot of wool clothes do, but this is just amazing. And as you can see, it has a cute color and a cute pattern as well, and I got the matching pants to go with this set. So then I also got this coral reef from my friend, and I had been wanting to get my hands on this for so long. We actually drove all the way to the other side of the city because they had this in a store, and once we got there, they were all sold out. The store was closing, so I have no idea how she got her hands on this one, but I was so excited and so shocked once I opened this up because I didn't expect it. And I have been dying to have this displayed in my living room for so long. So now I finally have it. Thank you so much. I am just loving this, and it is so cute. Totally matches my decor. But the last item that I'm gonna show you in this video are this pillow right here, which I will have displayed in my beauty room. So this is a donut pillow, and my brother actually got me this. So a few years back we actually were at this amusement park, and I really wanted to get my hands on this, so I played and played and played, and my whole family tried to win me this one, but we couldn't do it. So I left empty-handed from the amusement park, and I was so bummed that I didn't get this pillow with me because that was pretty much everything that I wanted to get, and I didn't want to take any roller coaster or anything. I was so sad. So he got me this one just as a reminder of that day, and it was so cute, and I just love this. It totally fits in with all the pink in this room. So that is everything that I got for Christmas, you guys. We also got some money, we got some sheets and linens and all that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got for Christmas. I'm so curious to know. And if you haven't subscribed and you're still here, please join our family by hitting the subscribe button. Also be sure to ring the bell so you will get a chance to get featured in my next video. For this week's video, I'm giving a shout out to every single one of my subscribers. You guys are the best. I wish you had a wonderful holiday and Happy New Year's to every single one of you guys. I love you so much. I am so excited for the new year. 2020 is gonna be a wild one, so stay tuned. And without further ado, I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.